Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Digital Ocean TV. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install Facebook Pixel on WordPress the easiest way in two different ways. See you in a bit. Alright everyone, let's get started. First, I would like to ask you to go down and hit the subscribe button if you see any value of this video, because this is how you're going to support this channel, and hit the thumbs up on this specific one if you really like it. So let's get started. First of all, there are many ways of installing a Metapixel, but I'm going to show you the two easiest ways and the ways that we use in our agency and how I install it for, let's say, our clients, me or anybody in this regard. So basically you add a new plugin, and the easiest way is go to PixelYourSite. This is the plugin, PixelYourSite. And of course, you probably heard about this PixelYourSite, so I'm going to be covering another way as well. So click on Install Now, and then when you get this button active, just click on Activate to activate it. Once you activated this Pixel, you're going to see it here on the left-hand side. So Pixel, go to Dashboard, right? And then your Metapixel, formerly Facebook Pixel, right? So click on Settings. Everything gotta be enabled, like tracking IDs, like enable Conversion API, enable Advanced Matching, enable Pixel, everything, right? In terms of Facebook. So then we go to business.facebook.com, and if you haven't created a business manager, I have another video how to create a business manager, but you gotta create a business manager in order to do this. Then you go down to data sources, click on datasets, and you probably don't have Pixel, or if you already have a Pixel, I'm gonna show you in a second what you're gonna do, but then I'm just assuming if you don't have a Pixel, you just click add and then click create, and then we gotta give it a name. My site is called Georgi Advice.com, so my Pixel is gonna be like georgiadvice.com, and then we're gonna give it create. So now we have our data set. Okay. Then we go to, once we have the data set, we go to these three dots here on the right hand side, click open in Events Manager. So we need to go to Events Manager, ladies and gents. So once we have this our Pixel, right? So georgiadvice.com, it's gonna give us to set up Metapixel to send events from or API, right? So basically what we're gonna do is set up a Facebook Pixel and KPI, Conversion API. Okay, so now set up Metapixel first, install the code manually, then copy the code, continue, turn on automatic advanced matching, then continue, and continue, go to Pixel, and voila, we just created a Pixel. Let's go to settings. Okay, so this is what we need in order to copy. You need to copy this ID, right? This is our Pixel ID, and we need to paste it here where it says formerly no Facebook Pixel. I'm not gonna paste it, right? But just you need to paste it here. Then you need a Conversion API recommended. This is, token we're gonna find here. Yeah, make sure that you turn on automatic advanced matching. Then you go to Conversion API, generate access token, right? And now it's generating the token. Then click on it to copy it, and then paste it here. This is a test event code. You can test it. If you don't know how to test it, then you don't have to do this. This verification of domain, it's not needed anymore, right? So you don't have to do it. Once you are done with these two things, right, and enable all this, you need to go down and save settings, right? Don't forget to save your settings. And this is how you basically install the KPI, Conversion API, and Facebook Pixel at the same time. Now, another way to, I told you we'll show you how to install the Pixel. It's with another plugin, but it's less impactful on your speed, let's say, because PixelYourSite, for instance, and those type of plugins are impacting your speed, right? You can see that I don't have so many plugins, right? It's not so, there are not so many. Just the most important for a blog, because this is a personal blog, and so basically what you have to install is this WPCode Lite, right? So basically go to add new plugins again. You need to WPCode Lite, you need to type this, or also if you can type insert headers and footers, you will get the same result, right? Install now, click install now here. Once it's installed, click activate. Okay, now once it's installed, you need to go on the left hand side and find where a code snippet is. So here's my code snippet, and what you need to do is go to header and footer, right? Not add snippet, even though when you go to code snippets, you have a lot of opportunities, you know, a lot of stuff you can add. Let's say if you click on add new, you will be able to do codes for pretty much everything in your website. If you don't want to go crazy and like very techy, right? Tech savvy, you just go to header and footer. Then we go, that's your header, that's your body, and that's your footer, right? So come here and go to back to Events Manager, Overview. We haven't set up actually the MetaPixel yet, so install code manually, install base code, click and copy code, and then we gotta go and paste this code here. Once you are ready, you're gonna click Save Changes. I'm not gonna save those changes because I don't need this additional Facebook pixel on my website. You gotta drill, you know what to do. Just click on Save Changes, and you're gonna be good to go. And this is pretty much the whole installation, guys. If you found again this video very value packed, please subscribe down below. Let me in the comments if you know another way of installing the Pixel, maybe with another tool. Sharing is caring, because when you share it, other people will see it, and I think it's great to help each other. In case you don't know who I am, I'm Georgi Petrov, and I have over 12 years of experience in digital marketing, e-commerce. Now for the past 3 years also in blogging and YouTubing. Thank you for watching this video, and see you on the other side, on the side of success, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.